Working a desk job often means long hours of sitting, which can take a toll on your health. However, staying active while working at a desk job is not only possible, but also essential for maintaining overall well-being. Incorporating small changes into your daily routine can significantly improve your physical and mental health. Welcome, everyone, to our journey towards a vibrant and wholesome life. The importance of staying active. Prolonged sitting can lead to various health issues, including obesity, cardiovascular disease, and poor posture. Staying active throughout the day can help counteract these negative effects by improving circulation. Regular movement helps maintain good blood flow, reducing the risk of blood clots and varicose veins. Boosting energy levels. Physical activity increases energy and reduces fatigue, helping you stay alert and productive. Enhancing mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress levels. Promoting better posture. Frequent movement and stretching can help prevent stiffness and maintain good posture. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Strategies to stay active at work. Take regular breaks. Set a timer to remind yourself to take a short break every hour. Use this time to stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk around the office. These breaks can help reduce the strain on your body and refresh your mind. Use a standing desk. Consider using a standing desk or a desk converter to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Standing desks can help reduce the health risks associated with prolonged sitting and promote better posture. Stretch at your desk. Incorporate simple stretches into your routine to relieve tension and improve flexibility. Stretch your neck, shoulders, back, and legs to prevent stiffness and discomfort. Take the stairs. Always take the stairs when possible. It's a great way to get your heart rate up and strengthen your legs. Walk during lunch breaks. Use your lunch break as an opportunity to get some fresh air and exercise. Take a brisk walk around the block or find a nearby park to enjoy a relaxing stroll. Desk exercises. Make desk exercises part of your daily routine. You can do simple exercises like chair squats, seated leg lifts, and even desk push-ups without leaving your place. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health. Keep a water bottle at your desk and set reminders to take sips throughout the day. Regular trips to refill your water bottle also encourage you to move around. Participate in office fitness challenges. Engage in office fitness challenges or create your own with colleagues. Challenges like step counts, walking meetings, or group stretches can make staying active fun and motivating. Use technology. There are various apps and gadgets designed to help you stay active. Fitness trackers can monitor your activity levels and remind you to move. There are also apps that provide guided stretches and desk exercises. Maintain good posture. Proper posture is crucial for preventing musculoskeletal problems. Ensure your chair and desk are set up ergonomically, with your feet flat on the floor and your computer screen at eye level. Regularly check and correct your posture throughout the day. Staying active while working a desk job is vital for maintaining physical and mental health. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can reduce the risks associated with prolonged sitting and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health and productivity. The benefits of alkaline ionized water. Staying hydrated is crucial when trying to stay active, especially during a desk job. Alkaline ionized water can support your efforts by providing superior hydration compared to regular water. The higher pH level in alkaline water helps to balance the body's acidity, which can be particularly beneficial for those who experience muscle fatigue or stiffness from sitting too long. Additionally, alkaline ionized water is enriched with essential minerals like calcium and magnesium that support muscle function and overall energy levels, making it easier to stay active and alert throughout the workday. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.